$3.85, $11.49, $83, $27, even up to $114. And you can earn money just like this again and again by simply clicking on ads. And step number 1, all you gotta do is click on the ads. For example, this is actually one banner ad and I can just click on that, and then step number 2, I'll have to wait for 30 seconds right here on this page and I don't have to do anything. Step number 3, boom, you make money. That's exactly how people from different countries in the world are able to get paid by simply clicking on ads. Now don't worry, this is 100% legit and this is absolutely free. You don't have to invest any money, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer, and you can follow everything step by step right here on this video. I'll show you a lot of examples and a lot of proof, and if you stick with me all the way until the end of this video, I'll show you a little secret on how all of these guys here are able to earn up to $1,400. Right here, $961. Even here's $700. This is something I've never seen other people talking about, so make sure you stay tuned and don't miss out on that. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on that online banking website. Now the website that I'll show you today on where you can get paid by simply clicking on ads, which are aticlicks.net. Now you can go on to aticlicks.net, but very important, if you don't watch this video, you will not make any money, or even if you make money, your earnings will be stuck inside your account and you cannot cash out. So it's very important for you to watch all the way until the end to learn all the mistakes to avoid and successfully cash out your earnings. So as you can see here, you can start earning extra cash for all your online activities. You can do different surveys. You can participate in different contests. You can complete different offers or refer other people or simply play games. But more importantly, what I want to show you right now on this video is to focus on visiting website, which means you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads and you can get paid real money. As you can see here, they're super transparent about all their earnings on their website. You can see a total payout today is this amount, and yesterday is this amount. There are over 43,000 users registered right now on this website, and they even show you all the previous withdrawals from all the people who are cashing out money, and they show their username, their country, and their payment method. And once again, you can cash out all your earnings in many different payment options. Say for example, if you want to pay out on PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, Paytm, AirTM, cryptocurrency, Payeer, Neteller, or Perfect Money. There are just so many different payment options available worldwide. So right now what I want you to do is to comment down below and let me know where your preferred payment method is in your country. And in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to register for a free account. Make sure you keep watching and don't miss out on this. But before that, let me show you all the proof of payment. As you can see here, they show you all the dates. For example, today and yesterday. There are a lot of people already cashing out their money. Now you can see here under the username, they are basically from different countries. And then you can see here the country flags beside the username. There's just so many people from different countries in the world, and they're able to earn real money on this website very easily by clicking on ads. Right here, you can see the total paid amount $5, $5, $3, again and again, by simply clicking on websites, and everyone and anyone can do this without any experience. And I'll be showing you a lot of examples and how you can multiply and earn double or even 10 times more money compared to other people, and you can earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars right here on this website. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is click on this button to register for free. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page. And all you gotta do is just type your full name, your email address, and right here, you can just put in whatever username that you want and set up a password. So right here, just bring your birth year and your birthplace. And finally, just click on this "I'm not a robot" and agree to the terms of service and click on this register button. As simple as that. Once you're logged into your account, the first thing that you're gonna see is the leaderboard. Basically, they're gonna show you who is the top earner. For example, this one is the number 1. You can see here that's the username, and that's the country, and the total earnings, which can see here. And this person is actually a member on ATIClicks.net not that long time ago. And right there, you can see the second-ranked top earner with over this amount. These are all the people, once again, from different countries in the world who are able to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And what they do is really simple. All you have to do is take out your mobile phone and click on the ads. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. As you can see here, once you log into your account, you can find different daily fixed ads to click on them to make money. Now you can see here, for example, this one. All of these are actually ads where you can click on them, and that's gonna take you to another website, and all they do is really simple. And you can do the exact same thing. Right now, once you log into your account, you're able to find different ads where you can click on them. And the most popular ads are actually banner ads, as you can see here. And they're actually all banner ads. You can see here when I scroll onto the right section, these are all the banner ads where you can click on them. And you can get paid again and again. Now let's just say if I click on any one of these banner ads, and that's gonna bring me to a random website. And once again, you can do this on your mobile phone, or you can do this on your computer. So right now, what I want you to do is to stay on this website for 30 seconds. Just wait for 30 seconds. You don't have to click on any buttons. You don't have to sign up or buy anything. You stay here for 30 seconds. And one very important thing is that you don't do any of these mistakes, okay? That's a warning. Because a lot of people, when they click on the banner ads, when they go onto the website, they don't move anything. They just stay there and they do not browse around. They eventually do not make any money from these ads. So make sure you don't do this mistake. And instead, what I want you to do is to scroll around on this website. You gotta browse around on this website. You just have to scroll down below. You just simply go around and browse around on the website. Because if you don't move anything, they will think that you are actually a robot and they will not credit any money into your account. So it's very important. Once you reach the website, scroll around, and once you move a little bit, you can just stay there for about 5 to 10 seconds, and once again, just start moving again. So by doing that, you can prove to them that you are an actual human. You're not a robot. And after 30 seconds, they're able to credit money into your account. So once again, once you finish on one banner, you can just go on to click on another banner. And there are just so many different banner ads right here on this website where you can click on them and start getting paid. Now moving on, the second way to get paid is to click on the daily fixed ads. And these are all the ads, so you can click on them and once again, stay there for about 10 seconds and you can get paid. And as you can see here, a lot of people are using this exact strategy to make a lot of money. So let me just show you one of the payment proofs right here on ATIClicks.net. You can see here all the payment proofs. Now let's just say I click on any of these. You can see here that's gonna take me to this page where people share all of the results, all the proof, and testimonies. You can see here the money they earned. The status is actually successful, and there are so many people reporting their income on this website. And guess what? All they do is simply click on daily fixed ads. This is a bonus tip that no other people are talking about. Make sure you complete at least a minimum of 5 daily fixed ads a day, and that will help you to multiply earnings and earn 10 times more money compared to other people. And once again, this is a bonus tip that I do want to share with you guys, my subscribers. Essentially, what you're gonna achieve is that once you complete 5 daily fixed ads, you're able to unlock the standard ads. As you can see here, standard ads, and that's gonna pay you 10 times more money. You can see here for all of these ads, you have to stay there for 30 seconds in order to get paid. Now, for example, if I click on these ads right here, that's going to bring me to another website. And depending on what ads you're clicking, sometimes you have to wait for 10 seconds. Sometimes you have to wait for 30 seconds, and usually the longer you wait, the more money you are going to make. Once again, stay on this page for 30 seconds, browse around, and you are gonna get paid. So right now, as I promised you, I'll show you the ultimate bonus tip. This is something that no other people are talking about, and that will essentially help you to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on this website. You're going to notice here on the leaderboard, look at the top earners. As you can see here, the total earnings, for example, this one has this amount. Right here, another earning. And you can see here the referral earnings out of the money that they received. This amount is coming from the referral earnings. For example, you can see the second user right here. This is their total earning, but some of that money come from the referral earnings. And that's the ultimate secret on how the top earners are ranking on the leaderboard. How they're making the most amount of money is by simply referring people to this website. And you can do the same thing by referring other people to aticlicks.net as well. So on one side, you can simply click on ads to make money, and on the other side, you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website, and you can earn passive income. And this is a win-win situation. They get to know how to make money, and you are able to earn referral commissions as you can see here. And this is one of the best ways to make money on ATI Clicks as well, other than simply clicking on ads. And that's it! This is Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.